Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
I bet you kind of are used to these views just a little bit. I can't wait to show you this 3-bed, 3-bath, affordably priced condo here at Laketown Wharf Resort. I'm so excited. Let's go. I love these 3-bed units. There's over 1,600 square feet, which is unheard of in a condo. And the balconies are massive too. They go the length of the living space as well as the main bedroom, and they're deep, about 9 feet, 8 or 9 feet deep. It's incredible. And on this unit, not only do you have all of this space for everyone, but you can see the night show basically from the couch. It's awesome. This is a wonderful unit. You've got your dining space, plenty of room here, extra seating for guests, and if you changed up the seating a little bit, you could even expand that as well. In this unit, they have remodeled the kitchen. You have new countertops. You have, the island is wrapped, which I love. Nice little just attention to detail there. And these quartz countertops are gorgeous with the new lighting, the refreshed kitchen. It's just top notch. And you'll notice throughout this unit, you've got these nice tile floors with a little inlay of marble. Great idea. Let's go check out the bedrooms. So welcome into the main bedroom. As you can see, there's more than enough space if you added a king-size bed and some end tables. And I love that you've got this wall of glass. Yep, you've got curtains for waking up in the morning, but you've got this wall of glass and you can look at the water or the light show at night right from your pillow. And of course it's an ensuite. In this unit, you've got 3 full bedrooms. 2 of them are en suites. 1 of them has access through the bunk room to the other bedroom. And can you believe how big this is? Jetted tub, standalone shower, your 2 sinks, and plenty of space if you need the kids coming in here or whatever. Let's go check out the bunk space. Peekaboo! This one also has a standalone bunk room, so you would access the 3rd bathroom through here, but if the kids are going to bed and you're not ready quite yet, you just throw the barn door closed. Good night, y'all. It's perfect. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you. And don't forget, please subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any beautiful properties like this one.